SilverPenguinArtyCrafty. My name's Anna and my channel is full of home decor crafty DIY videos every single week. So if that is your kind of cup of tea, please do hit the subscribe button below and hit the bell when YouTube asks. Now today I'm bringing you DIY 5 of my fabulous 12 DIYs of Christmas. And today the DIY is a fabulous Let It Snow sign. Here's your video.
So to start this DIY, you need a board. Now this picture frame I picked up from B&M, it was reduced and I have painted it a white chalk paint all over. I've got these metal stencils and they vary from large to small capitals and a mix of lowercase. I've got pencil to draw onto and I've got these snowflakes, wooden ones, that vary in size from large to small. And I'm going to paint these a mix of this silver and blue paint just so they lift slightly from the white of the board. And I have this thicker twine which I'm going to glue onto the edge of the board just to soften the edges and add some interest. And finally, just to add a bit of interest to the top of the board, I have a selection of embellishments I'm going to add. So I've got this holly pick here, a little red flower, and I've got this thinner twine which I think I'm going to put into a bow of sorts, and I'm going to stick them all together into the top corner. Now to start the board, I'm just going to take this brown acrylic paint and I'm going to dry brush it all over, just to give a bit of an aged look, because this white board is beautifully and clean and fresh, but I want to give it a bit of a more rustic farmhouse style appearance. Now I'm going to take this thicker twine, I'm going to run a bead of glue all the way around the edge and stick this on, and I'm going to run this round twice just to soften the edges onto the board. The board is ready now for the stenciling and the letters, so I'm going to take my metal stencils, going to lay them out as I want them to look, and then I'm going to trace around them with my pencil, ready to be painted. I only have one T, so you'll notice I moved that down halfway through to get both T's for the let and its. The next stage is to paint the snowflakes, so I'm going to mix the blue and the silver paints and then apply those to each of the snowflakes in turn and then let them dry. And now I'm painting the Let It Snow lettering that I stenciled earlier. I was going to do this just the plain brown, but I wanted it slightly darker just to lift slightly from the board. So to do this, I mixed it with a little bit of black acrylic just to give it that darker tone. Once the snowflakes are dry, we can stick them on with a dab of hot glue. Obviously you can put them where you like, but I'm going to put the large snowflake in the bottom left hand corner and on the edge of the frame just so it gives a bit of a 3D effect. And then I glue all the other size snowflakes scattered randomly across the frame. Once the snowflakes are finished, it's time to glue in a bit of foliage to the top right corner. So I start with this holly leaf, and then I use this little bit of garland pick, a couple of blobs of glue, and it's stuck. And then to add a bit of difference in the middle of those, I've got this thin twine, which I'm going to make into a bow, cut off to size, and finish it with the red flower. And there we have my finished Let It Snow frame.
Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please do give it a big thumbs up. And if you do try this video, please do let me know in the comments below. I love hearing all your comments, your thoughts and opinions about the DIY, how you changed it yourself. All that is absolutely fabulous. And I'll see you soon on the next video. Take care.